Welcome to our step-by-step guide on enhancing business processes with ChatGPT. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can utilize ChatGPT to improve your workflows and optimize your business operations. The first step is to identify the key business processes that can benefit from the use of ChatGPT. Assess areas where quick access to information, decision-making support, or efficient communication can make a significant impact. This can include tasks like market research, customer support, content creation, or project management. Next, determine specific use cases within each identified business process. For example, in customer support, you can use ChatGPT to provide instant responses to frequently asked questions or to escalate complex queries to human agents. In content creation, ChatGPT can generate ideas, proofread content, or provide language suggestions. Choose the integration option that best suits your needs. If you prefer a ready-to-use solution, explore platforms that offer ChatGPT as a built-in feature. Alternatively, you can develop your own integration using OpenAI's API to customize the implementation according to your specific requirements. Here are 3 specific examples of integration options for incorporating ChatGPT into your business processes. Integration Option 1: Project Management Platforms. Many project management platforms, such as Trello, Asana, or Monday.com, offer integrations with AI-powered chatbots or virtual assistants. By integrating ChatGPT into these platforms, you can communicate with the model directly within your project management workflow. This enables you to delegate tasks, request updates, or seek insights without leaving the platform. Integration Option 2: Customer Support Systems. Customer support systems like Zendesk or Freshdesk provide integration capabilities with AI chatbots. By integrating ChatGPT into your customer support system, you can automate responses to common customer inquiries, provide instant solutions, and escalate complex issues to human agents when necessary. This integration option streamlines customer support processes and improves response time. Integration Option 3: Collaborative Communication Tools. Tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams offer integrations with AI language models. By integrating ChatGPT into these platforms, you can have interactive conversations with the model directly within your team communication channels. This allows you to seek advice, brainstorm ideas, or generate content collaboratively, enhancing communication and decision-making. Please note that the availability of specific integrations may vary, and it's recommended to check the documentation or integrations marketplace of the respective tools mentioned above for the most up-to-date information. Integrating ChatGPT into existing platforms and tools empowers you to seamlessly incorporate AI-generated responses into your established workflows, improving operational efficiency and enabling smooth collaboration. Implement and train. Implement ChatGPT into your existing workflows. Integrate it into relevant tools, such as project management platforms or customer support systems. Train the model using your own data or fine-tune it based on your organization's needs to improve its responses and alignment with your business context. Provide clear prompts. When interacting with ChatGPT, provide clear and specific prompts to receive accurate and relevant responses. Clearly define the task, include any necessary context, and ask specific questions. Experiment with different phrasings to optimize the responses. Monitor and refine. Regularly monitor the performance of ChatGPT within your workflows. Analyze the quality of responses, user feedback, and the impact on your business processes. Refine prompts, train the model further if needed, and iterate on the integration to enhance its effectiveness over time. By following this step-by-step guide, you can leverage the power of ChatGPT to enhance your business processes. From streamlining customer support to improving content creation and decision-making, ChatGPT offers a versatile solution. Take the first step today, identify your business needs, and integrate ChatGPT into your workflows to unlock its potential for improved efficiency and productivity.